In 2026, Australian Mining Product and Services bring you reliable and affordable quick-wear protection epoxy and adhesives. Our proven pump repair technology and procedures make it possible to achieve a reliable extension to plant and equipment, where life.
Just for a few minutes.
The technology uses a metal epoxy filler to repair voids, and a ceramic putty to replace the contours. This repair is then coated with a silicon carbide wear protection solution, using a brush or it can be sprayed. We also have an extremely proven, reliable and affordable 2-part rubber and silicon carbide. This high-impact epoxy is conveniently packaged to effect ease of application and reduce waste in either a 10 kg or a 4 kg container.
Yeah, first job done with the ceramic epoxy that you've supplied. It's come out pretty good.
Australian Mining Product and
quick.
Services in 2026 offers
Easy to
impact
use.
and abrasion protection made from a non-hazardous basic alumina with a nanofiber base and a hardener in a separate container. We can also offer this product in a format that allows a quick set and a time-constrained maintenance opportunity. A fine version is also available, as is a silicon carbide-based epoxy. In instances, especially when you want to extend the life of high wear and abrasion-prone plant and equipment, like pumps, you can do this, following preparation guidelines that can be sent and include making the surface to be repaired clean and free from any impurities. Our brushable silicon carbide can also, with the correct thinner, be sprayed.